My Day, Class 2 English, Term 1, Samacheer Kalvi, 2026-27. Get, set, go. Welcome. On my way to school, I saw. So, what did we see? Here, there's a dog, there's a hen, goat, boy on a cycle, bus, car, auto, and a squirrel on the tree. Here we have a welcome song.
Welcome, 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 welcome. How are you? I'm so happy to see you. Happy faces, here we stay. Learning, laughing every day. We are friends, we work and play. Smiling brightly all the day.
So here we have practice time. Choose and draw. Choose and write. So we have to choose and draw. How do you feel? We have chosen I feel excited. You can choose happy too. Next, choose and write goat, bus, auto, dog. Circle the odd one out. Here we have red as odd one because cow, cat and pig are animals. We have odd one out as tree because green, blue and yellow are colors. We have hen as odd one out because bus, car, van are the vehicles. So hello, how are you? This is a classroom activity. So you can throw a ball and ask hello, how are you to your classmates. So complete the dialogues. Hello Teddy, how are you? I am well, thank you. How are you? I am well, thank you. Again, practice time. We are going to fill in the blanks. From the picture, I can see a kite. I can see a book. I can see a cat. Now here we have find and write, which we have already done. Rose, duck, cow and jug. We are sorting out vegetables and fruits. Brinjal, potato, onion are the vegetables. Apple, grapes and mango are the fruits. Again, we need to find the word all, which we have already done. Again, with and like. Now, song time again about the thumbkin.
Thumbkin! Where is Thumbkin? Where is Thumbkin? Here I am. How are you today, friend? Very well, and thank you. Run away, run away.
So we can continue that with the rest of the fingers too. So practice time. Can you see the animals in the picture? If it is yes or no, you need to tick or cross. So in the picture, we can see the rabbit, cheetah, elephant, but we can't see the bear. We can see a rhinoceros. We cannot see the lion nor the fox, but we can see a monkey. Now I can, who can? This is an action poem. I can walk like an elephant. Who can hop like a rabbit? I can hop like a rabbit. Who can jump like a monkey? I can jump like a monkey. Who can swim like a fish? Let's practice. I can jump like a monkey. I can hop like a rabbit. I can swim like a fish. I can fly like a sparrow. So here is a time to talk about yourself. Here there's a girl who is telling about herself. My name is Meera. I am in class 2. I like my class. I like my school. I like my friends. So similar way you can introduce yourself too. Here's the practice time. I see three frogs. I see two ducks. Who am I? Who am I? Name, gender and class. So here there's a boy who says I am Amar. I am a boy. I am in class 2. Practice time. Choose and write the words with the same sound. Bed, red, led, fed. Tip, hip, sip, dip. Hop, mop, cop, top. Tub, rub, hub, cub. Fan, can, man, van. Again, we need to sort and write the words with a and e. Bat, ran, jam, map. Dip, tin, kid, sit. So let's have a story time. The story is about Appu and Chinnu. Appu and Chinnu. Appu is an elephant. Chinnu is a mouse. They are friends. Appu wakes up early every day. Does Chinnu wake up early? Appu brushes his teeth every day. What does Chinnu do? Appu takes a bath every day. Chinnu doesn't take a bath. Naughty Chinnu. Appu goes to school every day. What does Chinnu do? Appu learns his lessons every day in the class. What does Chinnu do? Appu plays with his friends every day. Does Chinnu play with his friends? Appu reads at home every day. What does Chinnu do? Appu and Chinnu sleeps well every day at night. What do you do every day? Practice time. Listen and tick. Who goes to school? Appu. Who takes a bath? Appu. Do you brush your teeth every day? Yes. Circle the words which we have done early. School, bed, bath, mouse, teeth. Practice time. Read and match. Appu takes the bath. Appu goes to school. Appu brushes his teeth. Appu wakes up early. We have some sight words here. Jump, sleep, brush, play, go, early, up, and, are, wake, take, his. Here we have phonics blends which are blur and br. Say it slow, say it fast. A black bag on a bench. Black, black, blur, blur, blur. A blue bat in a bag. Blue, blue, blur, blur, blur. A brown broom in a room. Brown, brown, brr, brr, brr. A brown boat on a beach. Brown, brown, brr, brr, brr. So here we have blur and brr words. Black, blanket, blocks, blue. Brown, bread, brush, broom. So let us put the words in correct bag. Let's start with blur, blink, bless, blow, blank, bloom, brr, brain, bring, break, brick, brother. What do you see? I see a blanket. I see a cube. I see a broom. I see a brush. I see a brick.
Song time in the morning. This is the way I brush my teeth, brush my teeth, brush my teeth. This is the way I brush my teeth early in the morning. This is the way I wash my face, wash my face, wash my face. This is the way I wash my face early in the morning.
So we have to number the activities, the morning activities from 1 to 6. So you get up in the morning, you brush your teeth, then you take bath, then you dress up, have your breakfast and then go to school. Fun with sounds, phonic blends. Cl, cr, dr. Clock, clap, clip. Drum, drink, draw. Crow, cry, crane. Complete the story about the crow and the crab. This is a crow, that is a crab. The cloud is up, the sea is down. The crab cries for water, the crow gives water. The crab drinks, the crow claps. They beat the drums, they are happy. The crow flies into the sky, the crab walks back to the sea. So what do you do? Morning and afternoon activities, evening and night activities. So in the morning you wake up, you brush your teeth, take a bath, eat breakfast and go to school. In the afternoon, read and draw, eat lunch with friends, sing and dance. In the evening, you go home, play with your friends, wash hands. At night, read and write, eat dinner, and go to sleep. We have more sight words: when, or, what, it, do, at, us, in, and, to, up, my. Practice time. Find and circle the words eat, when, to, you. Fun with sound, phonics. Phonic blends. We are going to talk about fl, fr, gl, gr. Fly, 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 fly like a bird. Flow, 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 flow like a river. Hop, 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 hop like a frog. Grow, 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 grow like grass. Listen and repeat. Fl, flower, fly, flag. Fr, frog, fruits, frame. Gl, glass, globe, gloves. Gr, grapes, grass, green. Let's fill the words with fl and gr. Flip, flat, fly, flap, flop. Grab, grin, grit, grip, green. Circle and write the odd one out. The first one will be grip because the rest are all starting with fr. The second is glow because the rest are starting with gr. The third one is grab. The other words will start with gl. The last one will be free. The rest of them will start with fl. Here, clap and say at school. So what do you do at school? The bell rings, ding ding. Make a line, go to class. Teacher says, good morning children. We say, good morning teacher. Listen, listen, look at me. Read the words 1 to 3. Stand up, line up, out to play. Run and jump, hooray, hooray. Lunchtime, lunchtime, eat and share. Sit together, show we care. Back to class, learn some more. School is fun, we love it so. Brush your teeth, eat your food, wash your face, clean your eyes. Say it, show it. Drink, drink, drink some milk. Bend, bend, bend your knees. Turn, turn, turn your left. Raise, raise, raise your hands. So the ending blends we have FT, lift, ND, bend, DNK, drink. So here we have words like lift, left, gift, bend, pond, sand, drink, tank. I have a long trunk. I swim in the pond. The pillow is soft. I like the gift. So we have to fill in the blanks with has and have. So this is the grammar part. So when it is I, we use have, and when she and he comes, we use has. I am Rahim. I have a cycle. This is Nila. She has a balloon. This is Vimal. He has a toy. This is Sarah. She has a book. Say and write he and she. He has a ball. She has a drum. She has a pup. He has a cup. She has an egg. He has a cat. Listen and repeat. Again, we are doing the ending blends with LT, MP and SK. So, salt, belt, MP, lamp, jump, SK, desk, mask. Complete the story. So what happens in the evening? Reuben comes home and he hears meow, meow. A little kitty is at the gate. Reuben smiles. He gives the cat some milk. The cat drinks it fast. It jumps on the mat. The cat plays with the belt. Reuben wears his mask. He plays with the cat. They run and run. It is a lot of fun. Read and tick the correct picture. I sleep on the bed. I drink water. Complete the sentences. I am John. I have a pen. This is Sheila. She has a gift. This is Abdul. He has a ball. What I learnt, Unit 1, My Day. I can talk about what I do every day. I can greet friends. Hello, how are you? I can talk about myself, my name, my class. I can blend sounds. Blur, brr, clr, cr, dr. I can blend sounds. Flr, fr, glr, gr. I can use ending blends. FT, ND, NK. I can use ending blends LT, MP, SK. I use I have, she has, he has. I follow good habits every day. Great job. You can read, speak and learn every day. Thank you.